No rest. Boy kiss. Yeah.
Hello you guys, Anaya French here, and I'm back with another review. This review is on Swaggbeauty's hair, and I'm not gonna really talk too much about my personal things going on. I'm just gonna get right into it. So this hair is by Swaggbeauty. It's the yellow hair on their website. It's a black-owned business, which I'm really happy and proud about that. This hair came in like a sachet, not like a sachet like that, just like that, but like it came in like a wrapping envelope. It came with 2 big caps, and like it's not really something like really like appealing to show, like not appealing, but it's not like it's regular, so I'm not gonna really show it because like okay, whatever. It came in that with 2 wig caps inside the one, you know, packing thing for the wig caps. So that was cool, pretty dope. I really actually like, honestly, the only bad thing I could say about this hair is that it just tangles a lot. It just tangles a lot. That's about it. Other than that, frontal, dope. It was easy for me to like do this little baby squiggly hair I got going on over here. Easy for me to put it up in a bun. No tracks showing on the back. No tracks. None whatsoever. Showing in the back. It's really thick and full. Like it's full. Like come on. Like it is so full. Like very full. Like, and I love it. It's very bouncy. Like it's very me. I feel like, and the length is very good too. Like this is, the length is very good. So I feel like this for 59, I think it's 59 or 79. I don't really remember because I bought 2 wigs from them, and like, you know, like my brain. But for the pricing, this is amazing. Those of you who like, you want to start out the yellow hair, or you want to start out colors and you're not really sure about, you know, like, oh, if I'm gonna look good in that, if I buy bundles and I'm gonna look good in this, or I'm gonna look good in that, I'm telling you, this website is amazing. Like, it's a black-owned business, like I said, and it's like, I just feel like the quality is amazing. Curls are very pretty. The curls are very pretty. The frontal is, you could definitely, like, I'm lost of words. Like I really love this hair. Like the lime green one I bought from them, like it wasn't so bad. It was just that it was shiny, and it was I don't like the way it, like, you know, curled. But this one, like, is not as shiny, not at all. Everything looks like perfect. Like I just commend them for this. Like I don't know. Only thing I have a problem with is the tangling. That's the only thing I have a problem with. Other than that, like, I just feel like this hair is like dope, and like it's for anybody could, like, this is long, luscious, full. Anybody can get this, and it's really affordable. So for the pricing, I would say hell yeah, and kudos whatever to them for this. I love this. I mean, I don't really post videos on me customizing my hair, but if you guys want to see that, you can let me know too. But I feel like the review is always also fine, because it's like, you know, it's just easier, and it's just like, I don't know, it's just full of life, and then you can see it like when it's the full product. I mean, if you guys want to see unboxing and all that stuff, then that's perfectly fine. I could do that also, but for right now, I'm gonna just do reviews, since, like, you know, I like to style my stuff and see how I'm gonna wear it and all that good stuff. But for the most part, when I took it out the packaging, it just came out with curls, regular curls, but it wasn't in the top bun like this, of course not. All I did was go to the bathroom. I cut off the hairs, like, you know, the front, so I could make my baby hairs, and then I just customized it, and then that was it. Put it in a bun, and I was like, all right, cool, I'm good to go. Boom, let me make this video, and ta-da, here we are right now. So it's like, anybody who wants to try yellow, pink, orange, blue, they have so much colors on that website. Anybody who want to try anything, you should definitely go to them. Though I didn't like the shine on the lime green, but hey, it wasn't like that for the yellow, so you just never know, okay? And plus, there's also remedies for you so you can remove that shine. So just letting you guys know Their hair is bomb. Black owned businesses, support black owned businesses, and also support me too. Like, I know you love me, so you need to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, you guys. I love you guys so much. Y'all the Frenchie team. Y'all the Frenchie team. And you know what? You always gonna be the Frenchie team, because I'm gonna always love y'all, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. And we're gonna be back with more videos soon. Mwah, love you guys. Bye.